How to combine two cells together to form a single cell. So hey guys, in this tutorial I will be showing you how you can merge two different cells as a single cell. So for demonstration I have this particular table right here which consists of these two columns. The first one is the month and the second one is a profit. Now let's say I want to merge these two cells just above these two headings. So I'm talking about the cell number A1 and cell B1. So I will show you how you can merge the cell A1 and B1. So in order to merge these two cells, all you will need to do is simply select both of them just like this, and then you need to come to this home tab, and under the home tab you can see the alignment section, and under the alignment section you have this option that says merge and center. If you want to explore more options, you can click onto this drop down arrow just besides this option, and once you click here you can see another options as well. The first one is merge and center, the second one is merge across, the third one is just to merge cells, and the fourth one is to unmerge cells. So to just merge the cells you can click onto this merge cells option, and now you can see that the cells has been successfully merged, and you can type in anything and the particular text will appear in both of these cells, which now acts as a single cell. So that's how easily you can merge two cells together. And also apart from that, if you want to unmerge them, simply select them and then under the alignment option, simply click onto this drop down arrow and click onto this unmerge cells, and this will unmerge these two cells just like it was before. So that's how easily you can merge and unmerge cells in MS Excel. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like and also our channel a subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.